to be doing this fall cat wing liner, like smoky but not smoky halo eye. Like, there's a lot in this makeup look that I don't even know what to call it. Like, there's a cat wing liner, there's a halo, it's smoky but not smoky, like not too smoky but smoky enough for like people that don't like smoky makeup looks, like a black smoky makeup look that I did last time. So this is like, should be right up your alley if you're not really a black smoky eye kind of person. Like, you're very smoky but you're not as smoky as a black smoky eye. We're saying a lot of smoky, aren't we? Let's stop. But it's like very simple. It's a halo eye. There's just a lot of stuff mixed into this makeup look, like a lot. I was just like scrolling on Instagram, Pinterest, so many other social medias, and I was just like looking, and I was just like scrolling, and I just wanted to do, I really wanted to do like a halo eye, but I also wanted to do like a cat wing liner, and I wanted to do something natural and smoky but not too smoky, and I just did this, and it looks so good. And I really love the colors because the colors of this makeup look is so fall, and I'm obsessed with it. I just cannot wait until fall comes because it's like right around the corner, and I cannot wait. Winter is my favorite like season, but then it's fall, so I'm like so excited for like fall to come because it's supposed to get a little like cooler in Florida. Well, what I've heard, it's supposed to get a little bit cooler in Florida because like it's 100 degrees in summer in Florida, and sometimes like not even in summer, like, yeah, it's freaking hot here. So I'm hoping that it'll be like to the 80s or 70s in the fall because like I need that, because your girl can't wear makeup when she's sweating her face off. Just saying. So, but yeah, so I really like how this turned out. I'm not going to make this intro too long, so if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I upload a new video, and you can be the first one to like, comment, and all that jazz. And yeah, my social medias will be down below for you guys. Everything that I used in this video will be down below for you guys in order. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this fall halo smoky but not too smoky makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in with, I think, this color first. I don't know what I want to go in with, to be honest. I'm just like trying to find something that's like very light, and then we'll go darker and darker as we go. So I'm gonna hop into the Jaclyn Hill palette first, and I'm gonna grab this color right here, and I'm gonna grab her with this silicone blending brush. That's what I'm gonna grab, and I'm gonna grab that color that I just showed you guys, and I'm just gonna put that color right in my crease. And then I'm gonna grab this Wet n Wild brush right here. This is called Comfort Zone, and it looks like this. They're a mess, I know. All the palettes, like all the Wet n Wild palettes like these, like they're all a mess, and yeah, that's how much I love them. But I am going to grab this color right here on the same brush and put that in my crease also. Now I'm going to hop into the Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going to grab the color called, I think I'm going to grab two colors from this palette. I want to grab Caramel for sure, which is this one right here, and I want to grab Pumpkin Spice right here. I haven't grabbed this color yet, and I've had this palette for like a couple of months. More Caramel than Pumpkin Spice though, because I don't want this look to be totally orange. Now I'm going to go in with the same palette. I'm going to grab Hazelnut with this Morphe tapered blending brush right here. I'm just going to take that color and put that really into my crease, and also the inner and outer parts of the eye. Now I'm going to go in with the Comfort Zone palette again, and I'm going to go in with this color. And I'm going to grab a smaller brush. This Walgreens double-ended brush. I'm going to take, and by the way, just to clear it up if you guys are asking, the Morphe one is way bigger than the Walgreens one. So yeah, they're the same type of brush. One's just bigger than the other. So we're going to take this, take the Comfort Zone palette, the dark color right there, and I'm going to put that on the outer part and inner part of the eye, and a little bit on the crease, in the crease. Now I'm going to go a little bit darker, so I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and with the same brush, and I think I'm going to go in with this one right here. I was debating on these two, but I think I'm going to go in with this one. I'm going to do the same exact thing that we just did with that Wet Wild color, put on the inner and outer part of the eye and a little bit into the crease. The color that I'm going to be taking for like the middle of the lid is the Creme Brulee color from the Dominique Latte palette right here. I'm just going to take a small little brush, flat brush, and I'm just going to apply it right in the center. So now that I put that on my lid, I feel like the outer and inner part needs to be a little bit darker than it is. So I'm going to grab this Urban Decay brush that came with the Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. I'm going to take the smaller side, and I'm going to grab a little bit of this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, just a little bit, and put that on the inner and outer part of the eye. So I'm going to go in with this liner right here. I don't know the name of it because it like rubbed off. It's not like there anymore. So like I don't know what it's called. But it comes with two ends, and one of them is a star end, which looks like this. You guys can hardly even see it. But yeah, and one end comes like just like a regular liner pencil kind of thing. Like yeah, whatever, a liner brush. Alright, so I am going, let's do my brow bone with you guys. I mean, we might as well, right? So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to grab these two colors right here as a brow bone highlight. And I'm going to take this Sonia Kajuk small fluffy brush. So now I'm going to go do my full face off camera, do my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back with you guys so we could do the lippy and the bottom lash line. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I did my full face and I put on my lashes, and I did a little something on the inner corner. I did two things off camera because I just was like, let's just do it real quick, you know, let's just get it over with. The little like wing on the inner corner. The last time I did that on camera, it was so bad, like, it was horrible. Like, I had to, like, take it off and just, like, not do it because, like, it was so bad. But I did it off camera because I didn't want to mess up again, and it looked really good. I'm really proud of myself because I never do those kind of things, like, on the inner corner. I never do that little sharp little wing, and I'm glad on how it looks, so yeah. But the inner corner highlight, I used the same highlighter, well, not highlighter, the eyeshadows that I used on my brow bone, the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Those two first colors, those two first shimmer shadows in the palette, I just popped those on my inner corner. And then I took this Smoke and Mirrors gel eyeliner, and I just tightlined the top waterline. And then the lashes that I'm wearing are the Faux Mink lashes, I think. Are they the Faux Mink lashes? let me go check real quick. Yeah, the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies is what I'm wearing right now. So, yeah. So now what we're going to be doing is the bottom lash line. And it's going to be really easy and simple. It's not going to be like totally dramatic down there. So yeah, now we're just going to go straight in with the Dominique Latte palette. And we're going to go in with caramel and pumpkin spice first. We're just going to go in with those two, this one and this one. And we're just going to plop them on the bottom lash line. And the brush that I'm taking is this like little flat, it's not like totally flat, but I mean it's flat or whatever. It's a flat fluffy brush. That's what I'm trying to get at. And I'm just going to take caramel and pumpkin spice. And I'm going to connect it to the wing, but keep it on the outer part of the eye also. And then I'm going to go in with the Comfort Zone palette and just go in straight in with this color and do the same exact thing, just keep it on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm going to go in with the color, the darkest color that we went in with on the outer part of the eye. Let me get it real quick. This color right here, the same brush, just a little bit of that, and do the exact same thing. The only difference that we're doing to the bottom lash line from the lid is we're not taking as much colors as we did on the lid. So, because, yeah, like nobody wants to spend as much time as I did on the lid on the bottom lash line. Nobody wants to do that. I don't want to do that. So, the less eyeshadows, the better on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take that color. And then I'm going to take this flat brush. This is the Wet n Wild flat brush. I used this earlier, like for the lid, and then I just used my finger because it was easier. But for the bottom lash line, I'm just going to use the brush, and I'm going to be grabbing the color that we put on the lid, which is Creme Brulee from the Dominique Latte palette. And I'm just going to put it like right in the center. So I actually took the gel liner and put a little bit on the inner part of the eye, the inner tear duct a little bit more, and just brought it out a little bit just to give the eye a little bit of definition. Alright guys, so the lippy that I went in with is this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Spice, and this goes so well with this makeup look, like. But yeah, so I hope you guys like how this fall smoky but not too smoky wing liner, cat wing liner, natural makeup look. I don't know what I'm going to call this. I never know what to call my makeup tutorials, but I figure it out, so it's okay. But if you guys like how this looks, then give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below what you guys want to see next. Also, let me know if you guys like did this makeup with me, like did you recreate this? If you did, tag me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, because you could tag people now on there. What I finally realized, I don't know if it's new or old, but I realized it like the other day, so yeah. But all those social medias will be down below for you guys if you did recreate this look and did do it with me and you want to like let me see your recreation or something. I know that this is not like something new, but because like you see something like this like every single day on Instagram and stuff like that, but there's only so much makeup looks that you could do, so yeah. But yeah, like I said, all my social medias will be down below for you guys, so if you want to go check me out on those social media platforms, then you can, because they're all linked down below for you guys, except my Snapchat. You have to like type that in, but it's okay. It's okay. And also, everything that I used in this video today will be down below for you guys, just in case you guys missed anything. Like, if you don't remember what kind of, like, eyeshadow that I used, or if you don't remember like the lippy that I used, it'll be down below for you guys to go check out. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!